No jailbreak your computer needed, guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This is super insane. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get the PolyBuzz AI mod onto your device. So this will give you unlimited coins. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. It's super cool. So as you can see, it fully works. So let's get into the tutorial. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website. It's called hexmods.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and you're going to see all these apps. So you just want to type in PolyBuzz AI, and as you can see, guys, here it is. So go ahead and press on it, and before it downloads the mod, there's going to be a verification step. So what you got to do to complete the verification is download 2 apps, and you got to follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it says missing files, so I just need to download like 2 of these apps. So as you can see, it's a huge list of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. TikTok says down to run for 30 seconds. Underdog, same thing. So make sure you guys do 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how I get the PolyBuzz AI mod onto your device. Super insane, guys, and it actually works. So if you guys are tired of having no coins on the PolyBuzz AI, you gotta try us out. It's super easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but yeah, I haven't had any problems with this whatsoever. So I think it's gonna work for you guys too. It's pretty easy to do. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super awesome. So yeah, if you guys do want to get the PolyBuzz AI mod, this is how to do it, guys. So super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but there you go, PolyBuzz AI mod, as you can see, 2025. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps, and you're gonna be all set. So see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe, and yeah, peace out, bro.